and investigative journalist Hopwe Chingono has launched a scathing attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership, describing his rule as a case on Zimbabwe. Chingono criticized Mnangagwa for failing to deliver on his promises, instead perpetuating a criminal enterprise and prioritizing personal gain over the country's progress. Chingono's comments come after Mnangagwa's recent international travels, where he witnessed firsthand the advancements and innovations implemented by other world leaders. The journalist expressed dismay that Mnangagwa returns to Zimbabwe with nonsense policies rather than meaningful solutions to the country's problems. He also referenced the 2017 military coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, questioning Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's role in removing Robert Mugabe on corruption charges, only to install a new leader accused of similar wrongdoing. Chingono's statements reflect growing discontent among Zimbabweans who feel ZANU-PF's leadership has hindered the country's development, particularly in comparison to global advancements in technology and innovation.